Dear students, good morning. You are most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. I am going to start your notice writing today. In notice writing, first of all, we have to take characteristics of notice writing. At the top, there is notice head. And after leaving one line, in the middle, we have to write down the word notice in caps, means capital letters. And this word is to be underlined. After this, then we have to leave one line. And in left hand side, we have to write down date. The right method of writing date, first of all, we have to write down name of month, then the date, then comma, then year, then full stop. And after leaving one line, then we have to write down the title of notice. This title of notice is to be brought in the middle, balancing in both the sides, and let it be undersigned. And after this, then there is the main body. The main body is divided in three parts. First one, that is introduction. Second one, that is the main content. Third one, that is closing. And after this body, then we have to bring name of the writer after leaving one line along with designation. Now I take the content of one notice. There is a notice to be written by the students for the school notice board. As the school magazine is going to be published in the next month, you are the editor of the magazine and you write a notice demanding articles for school magazine. How is it to be written? There are two methods of opening. It is hereby informed to the students. Here we have to give the particular students, particular classes. Second style, the students of classes XYZ are hereby informed, and any one method of opening can be adopted. Just I take your first method. It is hereby informed to all the students 6th onward classes that our school magazine is going to be published in the next month. Therefore, the articles from the students are invited for the publication in the magazine. Let the articles be submitted to the undersigned within 10 days. Now here we have to mention the date up to XYZ date. The articles must be written in fair handwriting on the full escape page in black ink, so that these can be read properly, can be considered properly. And for more details, contact the undersigned. This will be the closing sentence. After leaving one line, left hand side, name along with editor. This is to be given. This is the notice demanding articles for school magazine. Okay, dear students, thank you very much.